fracture problems, tree plantations, droughts, flooding, deforestation, burning fossil fuels, greenwash, loopholes, subsidies, our crown land, old Acadian forests gone, clear cutting, spraying, killing biodiversity, vital to sustaining life and cleaning the air we breathe. Still they steal away our future, all in the name of greed. Ignorant to the fact monoculture is a problem. So is using trees as a source of profit instead of oxygen. No respect for nature. Environmental massacre. Destroying every acre. While we try as individuals to reduce our emissions, our actions overshadowed by the oligarchs' decision. Taxpayers' dollars spent. Big industries get pardoned. Global warming is coming for us. We need our forests storing carbon. Climate anxiety. Disappointment. A low-carbon future, is it attainable? Healing, restoring, path forward that's sustainable. Time for change. Urgent actions required. Corporate captured New Brunswick. Our house is on fire.